IT with Sony Electronics. I'm the technology manager for home entertainment. So joining the Bravia family are the new Bravia Projector 9 and Bravia Projector 8. This takes our whole cinema is coming home professional experience into the projection space. So the Projector 9 is running 3,400 lumens, the Projector 8 is running 2,700 lumens, and these are both using laser light engine sources, which not only phenomenal in terms of contrast, but also longevity. You're talking 20,000 hours of maintenance-free life. In other words, that's a movie a day for 8 years. These are both powered by our XR processor for projector, running the Pro Cinematic HDR feature set. That's all about deeper blacks, more shadow detail, more impactful HDR viewing for movies, streaming, sports. And new this year for gaming is HDMI 2.1. So for PlayStation 5 or next-gen console or PC gamers, this offers 4K 120, ALLM support, and phenomenally low input lag. So 4K 120, we're looking at 12 millisecond gaming, which is phenomenally responsive for a projector. So with the light input on these two models, depending on the room size and your screen size, you can easily do a 120 to 150 inch screen off of either of these models with amazing Sony picture quality. Behind me is the collaboration with Leon. This is the Leon Studio Frame. Now, this is all about picture quality when you need it, art when you want it. This is available in 4 different size options, 55, 65, 75, and 85, and the 4 different frame options as well. So when you want to watch your movies, your streaming, your sports, your gaming, this is Sony's renowned mini LED picture quality. But as soon as you turn that TV off for the standby, the Art Gallery app takes over. We have over 150 art pieces available, so you can really suit them to your room style. You can even adjust the matte sizing on it as well to adjust your room decor. There's even a motion sensor on board, so it knows when you're in the room versus displaying art when you're not. The other great thing about this is the mounting solution. We use our own WL905 mounting system, so it sits amazingly flush to the wall. But you can add another device to it or connect a gaming console. You can simply just pivot this right out. Access your cables, access your connections, run a different HDMI cable, connect to your streaming device, and then just pivot it right back against the wall when you're done using it. So it becomes that really easy to access device. And having this available in 55, 65, 75, and 85, we can really suit any room and any design you're after.